Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I'm at the infinity pool in the Marina Bay Sands. Bitcoin hit 123,000. All trades pumping, altcoins pumping, everything going up, which was amazing. Congratulations to anyone who's been following me for a while. From the jungle to the city. We're gonna jump in charts for Bitcoin. It went to 123, pulled back. No major news that set it off, to be honest. It was just everyone at the token 2049, 35,000 people paying $1,000 a ticket, and there was no booths, nothing to buy, like only exchanges. So that means all of them are just going to be buying Bitcoin, like the top altcoins, in my opinion, Bitcoin and the top altcoins, because they have nothing else to invest in at the moment. There wasn't any major projects to invest in. Hopefully the water's not too loud. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum. I'm going to show you my trades. Pretty much everything pumped. Tesla pulled back. I haven't bought back into Tesla after I sold it. We bought it at 200 and then sold it at like 440. I've got Google and Nvidia a little bit entered back in, maybe 50% into both. But mainly I want to stay in cash and I want to trade heavy here because the markets are all-time high. I'm just doing active trading at the moment. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, turn on the bell. If you have questions, let me know in the comment section down below. And we'll jump in charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. And I'm also giving away an iPhone 17 to celebrate Bitcoin hitting 123,000. I've given away, like with Bybit now and WeX, I keep getting the exchanges to keep giving giveaways to all of you, which is beautiful. A new iPhone 17 giveaway I'm going to show you in the video. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. I'll show you that giveaway. 110,300 followers on X. iPhone 17 giveaway I did it 1 hour ago. Trading Bitcoin from my iPhone changed my life. I want to kickstart one of yours. Thanks to Bybit and to Accelerate Bitcoin. It hit 123,000. I'm giving away a brand new iPhone 17. This is the 15th iPhone giveaway we've done. Like and retweet, follow James, me, and Bybit. Comment and tag 3 friends and Bybit. Sign up with my link to Bybit and reply if you've got a trade active. And I want to thank Bybit for constantly giving away iPhones to my community. WeX also for constantly giving away iPhones. Yesterday I met the founder of Polygon, Matic, and they have big plans and he's a very smart guy. Very interesting. Bitcoin hit 122,000. Yesterday the market pumped across everything. Vine was up 5%. Bitcoin hit 123,000. I posted this screenshot. It was 121, but it went up to 123. Ethereum 4,500. Nvidia and the rest were quite flat. World Liberty Fi was here at the infinity pool as well. Eric Trump and all of these guys, awesome plans. It looks like crypto is growing. I want to push freedom. Why do I keep making these videos with Bitcoin, crypto, Tesla, Nvidia, Google? I want you guys to be rich. I want abundance for all. I don't think the world used to be a few rich people gatekeeping all the money, and I think that's wrong. I think we're entering the age of abundance now, and crypto is facilitating that. So if you see any politicians, anyone trying to stop crypto or Bitcoin, they're stopping abundance for you. They're protecting the banks. And as you can see behind me, look at all these buildings. They're all banks. HSBC, MBS, IO, JP Morgan, all these big buildings are all banks. And you can see that those banks have been gatekeeping, and now crypto is unlocking this wealth for everyone. It's decentralizing money, which is amazing. And that's why I make these videos for so long. If you've been following me for a long time, been making them almost every day. Let's go into the technicals. Bitcoin sitting, already reset the percentages for 24 hours. Bitcoin weekly, that huge bullish pennant here on Bitcoin, you can see on the weekly charts, massive bullish pennant, pole and flag. That's a bullish pennant. The target of that bullish pennant, if you've taken the courses, the crypto master course, stockroom master course, you know technical analysis, which is, I'm so thankful that I learned it when I was 14 and started my journey in technical analysis, changed my life. And you can see the target of this Bitcoin bullish pennant is 153,000, and it doesn't look like it's pulling back, which is amazing. Stochastic is heading up very strong. Crypto Guru Bot, you get in the master course, still a blue buy. You can go to the website jamescryptoguru.com, and there is an Easter egg on the website. See if you can find it. I saw there was a sell signal at 124, hasn't fired a buy, but it is pushing out of this descending wedge. Stochastic heading up, so we're not overbought on the weekly stochastic. When we do a double top like we did here, we have to be a bit cautious, but right now no double top. On the daily, we are slightly overbought. Still no double top on the stochastic though, but it is overbought on the daily. And you can see on the shorter time frame we had this descending wedge the top of that bullish pennant. These build pressure broke out. It didn't even retest. It just broke out and went. Usually you want to open on the retest. Now the support is sitting at 116,000. So a trade I would set is once here from this support. How does it look like? You can see here we have support here. This is the support line now, sitting at like around 117. Let's make it 117 even. 117, which is amazing if you're buying with me at 17k in 2023 or 2022. We were buying at 17,000. And then target of the bull flag, the bullish pennant, is 153. And then we're looking for stochastic, we're looking for overbought signals. On the daily, it is overbought, so I want to pull back to 117 before I add more to the trade. Risk to reward is 11 times risking. Too much risk. Let's make tighter stop loss up here because the market is higher now. The safest place would do it from the weekly support, I would say 112. I would open at 117, stop loss 115, and take profit 152. So it's risking 1,500 to make 35,000, 10x leverage 350,000, which is amazing actually. Where can you risk 1,500 to make 35,000 with no leverage, which is beautiful. Let's go into the 4-hourly. On the 4-hourly, we pushed out. We hit yesterday. We hit 123,800, almost all-time high. The all-time high was at 124,500, so we were close yesterday. But no signs of a major pullback, which is very interesting. It's just bull flagging again. But that's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. Let's go into Ethereum. I'm going to show you my trades, actually. I've got a few trades open. On Bybit, my account 858. Going to 129. This is where I bought. You can see my previous trades on Bitcoin. I sold Bitcoin here, 111, bought it at 107, sold it at 115, bought it at 109, sold it at 113, bought it at 108, and now we're at 122, which is beautiful. Funding fee is still negative, which is insane. My one Bitcoin trade, which I opened about 4 days ago, is $11,000 in profits. Vina opened 2 days ago. It's now $1,700 in profits. Ethereum 4 days ago, up $4,000 in profits. And the altcoins are pumping as well. I put 40 into Uni, World, and Ton. And now Uni's 2,000 up. Ton is almost 2,000 up. World about 890 up, which is beautiful. And my 10K to a million challenge on WeX is also pumping. I didn't open. I'll show in the next video. I'll leave it at Bitcoin because celebrating Bitcoin. Bybit 60k bonus, main exchange I trade. If you have high fees or you're getting liquidated, I really like Bybit. If you're limited in any way or you want to stay private, WeX is KYC free. You get $200 bonus sign up. Join the Telegram, it's free, and take the courses and we'll trade together. And you can see I'm in the process of buying $2 million house. Let's go to some slightly other comments because I've shown these ones a lot. I want to show you other ones. Your course is periods when to make money. Very cool thing. People, great calls. You're the man, James. Thank you. I love your videos. The details videos. So provide trade for BNB. We're buying BNB at 200 now. It's at 1,111, which is amazing. And so many comments. Also, there's a giveaway on X. Go join it over here. And yesterday's gains were just wow. Congratulations, anyone that bought with me. And there's the giveaway for iPhone 17. I'm going to pick the winner in 1 week. For an iPhone 17, and follow me. I give heaps of giveaways. Already 14 people have posted on it and started to join the giveaway. Join in there. It's okay. Someone said I already have an account. It's okay. You can use your account to show active trade or join the community and join us in the Telegram. There's 161 of you online. JP Morgan predicts Bitcoin could reach 165,000 by the end of. Even Trump spoke about him. There's a video on YouTube. People discussing, showing trades. You can join them in the Telegram and talk with everyone, which is beautiful. Yesterday video 5 of 10. Share my video with 3 of your friends on WhatsApp, everyone. First, great bro, thank you. F1 in Las Vegas, running the strip in November, awesome. Great video. I really enjoyed the way you explained the crypto market, very clear and insightful. Thank you for all the comments. If you have any tickers you want me to analyze or anything you want me to check out, let me know. And again, I'm mainly in Tesla, Nvidia, Google, and you can just see, you can follow along to token 249, which just finished. Still side events, and I bought Nvidia and Google a few days ago. President Trump, this is a massive news. He's doing a stimulus check, and you can see my 10K to a million challenge on WeX. Now my trades are actually higher on WeX, which is beautiful, and lots of things I post on X. And if you've been following me for a while, if you've seen those tweets where I was talking about Bitcoin is like the invention of the gun when it was 2018. New technology surpasses everything. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up and turn on the bell. If you have any questions, let me know. Congratulations, everyone. Amazing that Bitcoin is at 123,000, which is beautiful. That's my updates in the market. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.